Assalamualikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you're all doing well. It's been a long time, but here I am back with delicious recipes for you. And in this video, I will be sharing the copycat recipe of KFC Tortilla Wrap. First, we are going to begin with air frying some Sadia broasted chicken Zinger strips, sprinkled with some red chili powder, black pepper, and we're going to drizzle some olive oil. We're going to make sure we do it both the sides for that spicy kick taste. This recipe is very quick to make, and I'm sure your family is going to be so surprised because of how it tastes exactly like it's ordered from KFC. We're going to air fry the spiced strips for 13 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And now we're going to move on and make the sauce that is a big game changer in this tortilla wrap. I must say that. For the sauce, we're going to add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of the secret ingredient, that is the white vinegar. And we're going to give it a good mix and set it aside. Also, I want to mention that do not use vinegar more than 1 teaspoon because it's going to taste too bad. Next, we're going to start by frying our tortillas. Now, tortillas are mostly, all brands have half-cooked tortillas, but we're going to make sure that we fry both the sides, and we're going to fry them until they're almost ready to eat. Also, do remember to not use any kind of oil, butter, ghee, or olive oil. We're going to toast them just dry, but making sure that they're not over toasted and are crispy and cannot be rolled. Let's make sure that they are cooked but at a balance. Fry all your tortillas at once and set aside. Now we're going to take some chopped tomatoes and some chopped lettuce or rice, which both work. Next, we also have our sauce and our air fried chicken strips. I also used some sliced burger cheese, also known as fake cheese, the white ones. Now let's quickly start with the final part, that is the assembling of tortilla. We're going to take 1 tortilla and spread the sauce according to your taste. You're going to taste the sauce and you will get to know how much to put in each tortilla, because it has mayonnaise that is also a little tangy taste and vinegar, so make sure it's not too much, okay, to make it soggy, but let's keep it again balanced. Then you can put your fillings as you like. In the first one, I chose to add the sauce, then I added the strips, then I had some fake cheese on top of the strips and some diced tomatoes and lettuce on the side, and I rolled them over. But you can add any kind of arrangement, it's totally fine, because anyways it's going to be slightly toasted on both the sides after we roll all our tortillas together. This recipe can be in the lunchbox menu, dinner at weekends, or just some evening snacks. Anytime you eat, it is going to taste as delicious and it's going to be so quick compared to other rolls. I think this recipe is like the backup plan. You guys need to try this, and if you try this, do let me know in the comments below. Also, what kind of recipes do you guys want to see more on my channel, since every week I will be uploading a new recipe for you guys. Okay, so here all my tortillas are ready. Moving back to the pan, we're going to just toast them slightly, making sure they're not too crispy again, just a little bit for the hot, delicious tortilla to be ready to eat. Also, you can cut the tortillas into halves and then fry them on the pan just slightly to make sure that the cheese is well melted. And there you are. The recipe is super easy and quick to make. Your tortilla KFC wraps are ready. Enjoy. Also, would be great if you liked, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.